Seems like for the last few weeks, all we've been talking about on the Digital 411 is bad news about inflationary fears and interest rates. Well, I have great news today. We have a brand new product, a jumbo loan with conventional underwriting. Just incredible. Before we get into that, some housekeeping notes. So I mentioned rates are on the rise. It does look like they're going to settle around 3.5% to 4% after this week. So if you haven't refinanced yet, there's still some terrific opportunity. I will say on the Digital 411, we did mention that we were going to be at that range about 4 weeks ago, and here we are today. So please subscribe if you haven't already to stay in the know. That being said, still wonderful opportunities for purchasing, debt consolidation, refinancing. Rates are still low. If you weren't able to take advantage then, you can still take advantage. But things are moving up. This chart shows basically the Biden administration, not a political comment here at all, but this is just where rates have been headed, and basically down on this chart is up. So if you do have questions, you can always hit up freshhomeloan.com, and we have a little refi and purchase thing you can fill out, and we'll get back to you right away. So please take advantage of those tools. So back to jumbo financing with conventional underwriting. This is huge. If you don't know, a jumbo loan amount is $1 above the maximum loan amount your area has for a conventional loan. And it can be a lot more cumbersome if you're self-employed. There's a lot more asset requirements. There are a lot of forbearance issues once jumbo came back out. If you had a forbearance, most lenders threw you out the door. So all that is going away with this new conventional underwrite. It's pretty phenomenal. I'm going to go over the details right now. So as far as guidelines, pretty simple and straightforward. These are 30-year fixed loans. They range from $2 to $2.5 million as a capped loan amount, the maximum loan amount, depending on the investor you're using right now. So just 10% down on purchases. It goes to an 89.99% loan to value. Maximum debt to income ratio is 45%, not 43%. For years, jumbo has been capped at 43%, since as long as I can remember, honestly. And so this 2% is a bigger deal than you might think. Minimum credit score is 680, so as long as you're a 680 or above, you're going to qualify from a credit standpoint. This is available for purchases, rate term refinances, and cash out refinances. Also on your primary residence, second home, or investment properties. We can do it all. For a while, it was also very tough to find jumbo financing for non-owner occupied. So this is fantastic. And rates are super competitive. When I was pricing it out, they were actually lower than where the conventional rates were a couple of days ago. So give me a call. Like I mentioned, you can go to freshhomeloan.com, fill out that questionnaire, and definitely would love to run some scenarios and help you out. Eric Wordmuller, Fresh Home Loan. This is the Digital 411, and we are independent mortgage brokers that work for the people.